Now we're gonna add the channel art. For channel art, click on customize channel. So there is no channel art in here, so we're gonna go to a website called Canva. So what you have to do, follow my steps, go to a website called canva.com. It's totally free. In here, when you get into search bar, click search for YouTube channel art. YouTube channel art. As you search for YouTube channel art, click on it, because it will provide you the perfect size of that. You don't have to resize it again. Go for example, I like this one. I'm gonna choose it, and we're gonna edit it and make it look beautiful. So you can do it as well. You can choose art whatever you want. So in here I'm going to choose the piano looks perfect. I'm going to write the name how to space 2. I want the words to be bigger, so I'll go with some 64. It looks cool. Let me go much bigger than that. Okay, it's fine. Yes, it's fine. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, now let's go and click on download, and let's go download a JPG. That's a perfect file. Don't go with PNG, don't go with that. Go with JPG and download it. And we'll take your 2 seconds, and boom, it's downloaded. Now move back to your YouTube channel, and in here you can add a channel art.